Hey guys, Britt Treese from WB Treese Consultants talking with you today about why getting a commercial building assessment is a wise investment of your time, resources, and energy, even if you're not doing it yourself. Here's why. Getting a commercial building assessment gets you ahead on your maintenance. It gets you apprised of any risk factors that may be present that you don't know about yet, and it allows you to plan ahead for big capital improvements. So your maintenance, are you on top of it? Do you know what's coming down the pipeline? Big risk factors, big damages. Have you walked every square inch of the property? Number 3, have you planned for those major upgrades, the parking lot, the roof, the HVAC, the plumbing systems, maybe the interior finishes as well? Check us out on WBTC3.com. This is Britt. Thanks again.